Good morning everyone. Today I am here to start with the numerical portion of the chapter National Income. There are three methods of calculating the national income. That is, first is income method, second is expenditure method, and the third one is value added method. Value added method is also known as production method and output method. So first of all, we will discuss about the income method. Now, what is income method? That is, we will be calculating the national income by taking various incomes in account. That is, income method is equal to what we have to calculate? National income. And national income is NNP at FC. NNP at FC, net national product at factor cost. Net national product at factor cost. But with the help of income method, we will calculate NDP at FC. That is net domestic product at factor cost. This is known as domestic income. So by calculating, that is by adding NFIA in the domestic income, we will get national income. So with the help of income method, we will calculate the domestic income, and with the process of conversion, which I have discussed with you all in the previous lecture, we will calculate national income. So, NDP at FC is equal to COE plus OS plus MISE. What is COE? What is OS? What is MISE? COE, compensation of employees. OS, operating surplus, and MISE, mixed income of self-employed. COE, that is compensation of employees. It is also known as emolument of employees. Compensation is wages and salaries, benefits that employer gives to the employee. So we will calculate COE. If COE is given direct in the question, then it's fine. But if it is not given, then we have to calculate COE. COE is equal to wages and salaries in cash. That is wages, salaries, bonus, commission, all these are included in wages and salaries in cash, plus wages and salaries in kind. Kind, rent-free accommodation, medical facilities and educational facilities of their children. So all these things will be included in wages and salaries in kind, plus employer's contribution to social security scheme. It will be included only of the employer, not of the employee, because if employee's contribution is included, no, it is his personal expenditure. So we will be taking, because employer is providing the social security to the employee only. Employer's contribution to social security scheme. It includes provident fund, gratuity, labor welfare fund, and nowadays companies are providing the insurance facility to the employee. Is it clear now? So again I am repeating, COE is equal to wages and salaries in cash, wages and salaries in kind, plus employer's contribution to social security scheme. What is OS? OS is operating surplus. What is operating surplus? Rent plus interest plus profit plus रॉयल्टी. रेंट क्या है? अगर हमने किसी को कुछ चीज लीज पर दे रखी है तो हमें रेंट आएगा. इट इज द इनकम ओनली. नो, रेंट प्लस इंटरेस्ट. वन मोर थिंग, इंटरेस्ट. Interest will be included, that is interest from the production unit only. Interest will not be included of the consumption unit. For example, what is interest from the production unit? If I am depositing some of my savings in the bank, अगर मैंने अपनी कुछ savings कहाँ पर deposit करी है? बैंक में deposit करी है. तो बैंक deposits में से ही क्या करता है? आगे लेंड करता है. जब बैंक लेंड कर रहा है उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? प्रोडक्शन ऑफ सर्विस. दैट इज बैंक सर्विस ही तो दे रहा है. किस चीज की? लोन की फैसिलिटी दे रहा है. तो बैंक जो मुझे इंटरेस्ट पे करेगा दैट विल बी इंक्लूडेड इन माय इनकम. सो दैट इज इनकम और इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम द प्रोडक्शन यूनिट. इफ I have taken a loan from a bank for purchasing anything, for buying a car, that loan is for consumption purpose. So that loan, that interest, the interest from that loan which I will be paying to the bank. अगर मैंने लोन लिया है तो मैं क्या पे करूंगी? इंटरेस्ट. तो वो इंटरेस्ट किस पर है? दैट इज इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम कंजम्पशन यूनिट. मैंने कंज्यूम किया है ना वो लोन, तो वो इंटरेस्ट पे कर रही हूं, तो वो बैंक की इनकम में इंक्लूड नहीं होगा. इज इट क्लियर? बिकॉज वी विल इंक्लूड इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम द प्रोडक्शन यूनिट ओनली प्लस प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू corporate tax plus dividend plus retained earnings. Royalty. Royalty is the fee paid for using the subsoil assets. अगर हम किसी पर्टिकुलर कोल माइन को यूज कर रहे हैं तो हमें उसके लिए क्या एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो रखा है, तो हम उसके लिए कुछ फी पे करते हैं. दैट इज नोन एज रॉयल्टी ऑफ यूजिंग. That is fee for using the subsoil assets. Next is your retained earning is also known as savings of private corporate sector. Retained earning is also known as, that is your flowing back of profits, reserves and surplus. So these are the different names of retained earning which you can get in the question also. Next is MISC. MISC, mixed income of self-employed. जो लोग अपने बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड है, उनकी भी तो इनकम नेशनल इनकम में ऐड होगी. तो दैट इज, अगर किसी डॉक्टर ने क्लिनिक ओपन करा हुआ है तो दैट इज मिक्स्ड इनकम ऑफ, जो उसकी इनकम होगी, उसने अपना ही क्लिनिक खोला हुआ है तो उसकी इनकम कहाँ इंक्लूड होगी? MISE में. सैलरीड लोग जो सर्विस कर रहे हैं, जॉब कर रहे हैं, उनकी यहां पर आ गई. जो बिजनेस के प्रॉफिट्स हैं, जिन्होंने जो काम ही, जिनका क्या है, रेंट पे ही दे रखा है, सब मतलब लीज पर ही दे रखा है, तो वो यहां पर इंक्लूड हो जाएंगे. जिनके बिजनेस है वो प्रॉफिट्स आ जाएंगे. एंड मिक्स्ड इनकम इज ऑलवेज गिवन डायरेक्टली इन द क्वेश्चन. सो COE is equal, sorry, NDPFC is equal to COE plus OS plus MISE. Now we'll go through 2-3 questions of this particular topic and you will better understand the topic. So here the question is. The question is, you have to calculate the national income by income method. There are various particulars given in the question. All these particulars will not be used in one method only, because you can get the question in the form of calculate national income by income and expenditure method. So some of the particulars will be used in income method and some of the particulars will be used in expenditure method. But here we are doing the question of income method only. So we'll go through the question, that is NDP at FC is equal to COE plus OS plus MISE. COE plus OS plus MISE. Because by income method, what we can calculate? NDP at FC only. By income method, we can calculate NDP at FC. That is COE. What is the formula of calculating the national income by income method? We have the formula of NDP at FC is equal to COE plus OS plus MISE. So first we will see whether COE is given in the question. Yes, it is given in the question. We will write it. COE is equal to, rupees are in crore. Rupees in crore. So COE is equal to rupees 250 crore. COE is given directly in the question. Now OS is equal to rent plus interest plus profit plus royalty. What is rent given in the question? Rent is rupees 100 crore. We will write 100 plus. What is interest? It is 200 plus. What is profit? It is given, that is your 50. Plus royalty is not given in the question, it will be 0. So it will be rupees 350 crore. Now we will see MISE. Whether MISE is given in the question? Yes, mixed income of self-employed. Rupees 50 crore. Rest of the particulars which are given in the question will be used in the next method, that is expenditure method. Then these particulars will be used. So NDP at FC is equal to COE plus OS plus MISE. What is COE? 250. What is OS? 350. And what is MISE? 50. It will be rupees 650 crore. What you have to calculate in the question? National income. So with the help of conversion, I have discussed the process of conversion in my previous video. That is, you have to calculate NNP at FC is equal to NDP at FC, because what we have, that is NDP at FC. We have NDP at FC. What we have to calculate? NNP at FC. So net and net से DP से कहाँ जाना है? NP पर. तो हम क्या करते हैं? डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट प्लस NFIA इज इक्वल टू नेशनल. तो नेशनल पे जाने के लिए हम NFIA को क्या करते हैं? ऐड करते हैं. और FC और FC भी क्या है? सेम. सो NDP and FC is 650 plus. What is NFIA? Net factor income from abroad. It is given 20. So the answer will be rupees 670 crore. So this was the first numerical question, that is we have to calculate NNP at FC. The answer is 670 crore. The next question is, calculate national income by expenditure method. So, there are some particulars of the question given, that is, we have to calculate national income by income method. With the help of income method, what we have the formula, NDP at FC is equal to COE plus OS plus MISE. Now what is COE? We will see whether COE is given directly in the question or we have to calculate COE. COE is not given directly. It is given, that is your wages and salaries, and employer contribution is also given. What is the formula? Wages and salaries in cash, wages and salaries in kind, plus employer's contribution to SSS, that is Social Security Scheme. So what we have, COE is equal to wages and salaries plus employer contribution to Social Security Scheme. So what are wages and salaries? It is given as 600 and here it is 55 and rupees are in crore. It will be rupees 655 crore. Now what is OS? Is equal to rent plus profit plus interest plus royalty. What is rent? It is given in the question, that is 200. Profits are also given, that is 130. What is interest? It is 20. Royalty is also given in the question, it is 25. So 200 plus 130, that is 330, 350 and here it will be rupees 375 crore. We will check whether MISC is given in the question or not. No, MISC is not given. So it will be 0. So NDP at FC is equal to COE plus OS plus MISE. What is COE? 655 plus OS 375 plus 0. It will be rupees, that is rupees 1030 crores. Next, we have to calculate national income, NNP and FC. What we have in the question, that is NDP at FC. We have NDP at FC. NNN से DP से कहाँ जाना है? NP पर. क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस NFIA. FC और FC भी क्या है? सेम है. It is 1030 plus. Now what is NFIA? Net factor income paid word is given to. What we need? Net factor income from abroad. Now please see, if the word from is given, net factor income from abroad, you will take it as it is given, whether positive or negative. But if it is given to abroad, we will change the sign. It means to abroad, that is पैसा जा ज़्यादा रहा है. So we will change the sign. Answer will be rupees 1000 crore. So this was the second question. Please go through the topic, and this was the topic, that is your income method. In the next video, I will discuss with you all that is the expenditure method. Till then, take care, stay safe and be